Hey, this is Cam from Cam Goes Vegan and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different vegan recipes. For breakfast we have a creamy blueberry smoothie bowl. For lunch we have an avocado toast and tempeh bacon sandwich. And for dinner we have a creamy hidden veggie mac and cheese. If you like these recipes, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more like this. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them down below in the comments. Alright, let's get into this. To make the smoothie bowl, first chop up some frozen bananas. Next, get some coconut water and add that and the frozen bananas into a high-powered blender or a food processor and blend until creamy. Next, add frozen blueberries and then blend that until creamy. The smoothie should be nice and thick and creamy, like the consistency of soft serve ice cream. When you're finished, add your favorite toppings and enjoy. To make the sandwich, first start with a block of tempeh. Then cut the tempeh into thin slices. This is about how thick I cut my slices. Next, prepare the marinade. I added soy sauce, water, spices, and maple syrup. Next, put the tempeh into the marinade. After marinating the tempeh overnight or for even just 10 minutes, heat a pan on the stove and add olive oil. Spread the oil around the pan to ensure even cooking. Next, add your tempeh and cook until each side is golden brown. To prepare the rest of the sandwich, add avocado to 2 pieces of toast. With a fork, mash the avocado. Next, add your tempeh bacon. I also decided to add some red onion and kale to the sandwich, but you are free to add whatever you like. There you have it, a delicious avocado tempeh bacon sandwich. Today I will be testing out a recipe on how to make vegan mac and cheese using just vegetables. For this recipe you'll need a russet potato, a yellow onion, a carrot, and any macaroni noodles of your choice. Begin to boil 2 pots of water, and when they are boiling, add your pasta to the water. Then cook until it is tender. Another pot of boiling water, add your chopped veggies. And cook until they are nice and tender. Once they're done cooking, drain them and add them to a food processor or a high-powered blender. I also reserved a little bit of the cooking liquid to add to thin out the sauce because it is very flavorful. I'm going to give the veggies a quick blend. So here's what the sauce looks like now. It looks like a really thick, creamy sort of soup or a puree. I'm gonna add spices and liquid to thin it out and to give it some more flavor. Adding a 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast. I'm also going to add a dash of each of these spices: black pepper, turmeric, garlic, sea salt, and cayenne pepper. If you have paprika, I would also recommend adding that. I'm also going to add a splash of almond milk to add to the creaminess. The mixture is still a bit thick, so I'm going to add some of that cooking liquid. Add more liquid and spices until it reaches your desired consistency. This next step is optional, but I'm going to add some vegan butter to my cooked pasta. Next, slowly pour in some of the cheese sauce. There you have it, my take on the easy vegan vegetable sauce mac and cheese. It is creamy and delicious and full of yummy vegetables.